Aksyon, patok.
Gates open, the rough and racing, we have a Lady Line, shows alertness at the start, and so was Style Icon, running by, they'll stop talking, also showing speed is a Libre Lang, so much promise, then down on the inside we have Graceful, in between those two, so dashing, while the early trailer is the Vinci doing 16.5 on the opening quarter, down to the 5/8 mile pole, they travel, Lady Line, the early leader by about 3/4 of a length, and running by the second Style Icon, and about 4 lengths back in third is a Libre Lang, and in fourth comes Stop Talking, then comes So Much Promise, alongside is the stablemate Da Vinci, then followed over by So Dashing and Graceful now in behind them, with a fast clip of 23 on the second quarter. Inside the last 500, Lady Line just in front, Libre Lang now coming closer in second, and in third Style Icon, So Much Promise now in fourth by another 4 lengths, but it's still Lady Line traveling well okay, this time by about 2, doing 24.5 on the third quarter, 3 and 5 to travel. Lady Line spreading its lead now to about 4 lengths. Libre Lang remains in second, and moving up on the outside is So Much Promise to take second, and finally Lady Line, So Much Promise, Libre Lang, Style Icon.